Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will discuss MRI left knee, also written as MRI LT knee. This video will cover what MRI left knee is, why it is done, which structures of the knee are evaluated, the procedure of MRI, conditions detected by MRI, and what an MRI left knee report usually shows. So, let's begin. What is MRI left knee? MRI stands for magnetic resonance imaging. MRI left knee is an imaging test that uses strong magnetic fields and radio waves to create detailed images of the left knee joint. This test does not use X-rays or radiation and is completely non-invasive and painless. MRI is especially useful for viewing soft tissues, which cannot be clearly seen on X-ray. Why is MRI left knee done? Doctors usually advise MRI left knee when a patient has persistent knee pain, swelling of the knee joint, difficulty in bending or straightening the knee, knee injury due to accident or fall, sports-related knee trauma, knee locking, instability, or clicking sound, unclear diagnosis after X-ray. MRI helps identify the exact cause of knee problems. Which parts of the knee are seen in MRI? MRI left knee shows detailed images of bones, femur, tibia, patella, ligaments, ACL, anterior cruciate ligament, PCL, posterior cruciate ligament, MCL, medial collateral ligament, LCL, lateral collateral ligament, meniscus, medial meniscus, lateral meniscus. Other structures, cartilage, tendons, muscles, joint fluid, bone marrow. All these structures are seen very clearly on MRI. What conditions can be detected by MRI left knee? MRI left knee can diagnose ACL or PCL tear, meniscal tear, cartilage damage, joint effusion, fluid in the knee, osteoarthritis, ligament injury, bone marrow edema, infection, tumors or abnormal growth, old or recent knee injuries. That is why MRI is very important, especially for athletes and trauma patients. How is MRI left knee performed? During the procedure, the patient lies on a movable table. The left knee is properly positioned. The machine makes loud knocking sounds. The patient must remain still. The scan usually takes 15 to 30 minutes. The procedure is safe and painless. If the patient has a pacemaker, metal implant, or any metallic object in the body, it must be informed to the doctor before MRI. What does an MRI left knee report show? An MRI report usually mentions condition of ligaments, intact or torn, meniscus, normal or damaged, presence of joint effusion, cartilage thickness and defects, bone marrow changes, degenerative or arthritic changes. Based on this report, doctors decide further treatment or surgery. Conclusion: MRI left knee is one of the most accurate investigations for knee problems. Early diagnosis with MRI can prevent long-term complications and disability. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.